Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to switch accounts in TikTok for PC. In order to do so, first off, here we are at TikTok.com. And if you look around, you are going to see that you have the profile button here on the left hand side. If you select that, then that will take you to your profile page. And from here, what you're looking to do is to click the settings icon. When you click the settings icon, that should take you to the manage account page. And on the right hand side up at the top corner is where you're now going to find your account icon and the option to log out. So if you wish to log out, all you have to do is click that and continue the process, and then you should be able to log into a different account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.